Hi guys, today I'm going to travel on Montreal REM. I'm going to go today the one of the last station called Dumontan. It is going to Brossard station. This is the final station on the REM, Montreal REM. You know the station, the first part of Montreal REM. South Shore to downtown, it was started on July 31st, 2023. Then it extended to the North Shore for the Dumontan on 17th of November 2025. There is no human driver, fully automated system. North Shore to South Shore. This is the Dumontan REM station. If you go single trip, you can get $3.75, and if you go for the round trip, you can get $7 for the single trip for the whole zone, and if you go for the round trip, you have to pay around $14. This is the elevators going upstairs and to get the RAM, and the whole journey is 55.5 kilometers. You can go within 46 minutes. Okay, you can see our RAM, it's coming now. Okay, we get in. This is the view, so you can see like a panoramic view. Whole side is glass, very nice and clean and brand new compartments. There is 3 compartments you can see, very nice and beautiful. The initial estimate around this project for the Quebec government was $7 billion on 2018, but when they finished on 2024, it went up to 9.4 billion because of the inflation. This is a very nice and transportation in Montreal. The first time there is no human driver in this transportation, fully automated system. Very nice. You can enjoy with your family, with kids. Everybody will love it. You can see Champlain Bridge. If you can see, if you go like from Dumontan to Brossard, you can see Champlain Bridge panoramic view. It was so amazing. You can see on this video. You will enjoy it. And also you can see a tunnel, very long tunnel, like a 3 station. You can see it, very long tunnel, dark, and you can see on my video, you can see and enjoy it. And we can see when you go by McGill station and Bonaventure station, you can see on Montreal downtown buildings. And when we're crossing, the Champlain Bridge, you can see nice ocean, Saint Laurent River, and very beautiful views. This is like a enjoyable trip if you can try. And also some station, we have so many stations. Some station right now you can park free, but it will go in the future. We heard they will charge for the parking, but some station is still you have to pay for the parking. And from Dumontan to Brossard, it's very beautiful views. So you can see on the right, left, front, because there is no driver. You can, if you go and enjoy it fully, it's better you go in the front, the first compartment, and the first man. You can see it, very nice view, because there is no driver, there is no engine. So you are the first. If you're sitting, when you drive on a car or when you drive on a van, you can see everything in the front like that. You can see it in the RAM. really enjoying a trip. If you go one time, is very very beautiful. So you can use if you go for like work, or you go to the college or universities or wherever you want. If you go, you can take every month. You have a monthly pass also available, so you can enjoy with me with these videos. So please, if you like my videos, please subscribe me and give me a thumbs up and comment. Thank you. Please enjoy it.
Knees when the corner sings. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air. Dreams take flight, but beware, beware. Strip with the top peeled back, sunshine beaming, yeah, the west where it's at. Palm trees swaying, cool breeze in the mix. Sidewalk popping, got my sneakers doing tricks. Ayy, we riding real smooth, so smooth. California grooves, west side. BBQ's fired up, bring your crew. Retro what we do, check it out. Putts on the track, got us feeling real good. Talkbox vibes, bring the heat to the hood. Cruising down the boulevard, cypress trees wave. West Coast flavor that'll carry you for days. Oh, the ocean breeze, it calls my name. Seagulls and the sunset in this golden frame. That's right. Late night rhythm keeps it all so tame. So chill. West Coast dreams will never be the same. We riding real smooth. You know it. California grooves. Ooh, that's right. BBQ's fired up. Bring your crew. All day. Retro vibes is what we do. Ooh, yeah. Beach bikes rolling, neon lights at the park. Rooftop chillin', blazing vibes in the dark. Sipping on that cold soda pop real slow. West Coast magic is the only way to go.